Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today me and my sister are going to open this cake mountain Play-Doh. So let's unbox it. Oh my god. I think I can do it. Can you do it, sis? Wait. I think I can open the cake. I think I opened one. Here, I opened it. Yes. Whoa, man. Okay, wait, let's open it. Oh my god, it's too hard. I see the box. I see the box. Oh my god. Oh, it's empty. Wait, I see the place inside. Ta-da, guys. Maybe later. Maybe sometimes. Oh, here's the Play-Doh. So this is the Play-Doh, guys. There's 5 Play-Dohs. What? Oh, there's no more. Oh, here's how to do the cake mountain. Here and here. Okay. Wait. Let me try to fix it on my own. Let's try, guys. So first we put this, which is this, and then we have to find this one. I don't know, where is it? I think it's this one. Wait, let me match. Oh yeah, maybe I have to put it here. Wait. Munch. Yeah, I did it. Wait, how about it? Oh my god, this is so soft. Hindi jangan, sabar. And the second one I have to put. Where's the second? Oh, here it is. Okay, wait. How are we supposed to put this? It's real weird. Okay, here it is. And let's put the others. What is that? Oh, we have to open the Play-Doh. Wait. What is going on? How am I supposed to open it? Wait, let me find a way to open it. How am I supposed to open it? Here. Wait. Oh yeah, I did it. I opened it. You see the guys? I opened it. Okay, and now let's open the Play-Dohs. Oh my god. This is such a hard thing. Ouch. Yay, we opened the Play-Dohs. Okay. Adik nak pakai mana dulu? Okay, my sister asked me to open this, which is, I don't know what color, cyan or blue. Okay, let's open it. Ouch. Woo. Keras ke? Tadi. Okay guys, so we already opened it. Okay, so what color are we gonna use first? Pink. Okay, so let's use pink. Yeah. Wait. Okay, you get. Okay, adik boleh guna color pink dulu. Okay, my sister gonna use the color pink first. I'm using, I don't know what color is this.
It's purple.
Purple. Oh. The flower. Oh no. After this, I'll clean it up. Wait. So, let's play with. I don't know. Ooh, what is this? Wait, let me just. Okay, I'm gonna try to do this first. Here. Okay. Oh yeah, this one, guys. Here, you can put a Play-Doh, any Play-Doh you want, in here. Okay, let's see. Wait. Wait. Okay, I think that is enough. Let's. Oh my god. Yeah, this is hard. This is harder than I thought.
Okay, enough.
I think it's not ready. How are we gonna take it off? Hey. Help me. Oh my god. Ooh. Oh yeah, it worked. It worked. Look at this. Look, my sister just used a sharp. But mine worked. It looks like a meat. I'm gonna
It
do.
looks like a chocolate.
Yeah. I'm gonna do it again, and then I'm gonna do a burger, special
How
burger.
to use this one?
Wow, what's this one? Oh, you have to put it. You have to put a Play-Doh inside.
I don't know.
I think you have to put it. Wait, let me see the instruction. Making a Play-Doh cake. Oh yeah, we have to put a Play-Doh and then put it inside here.
Are you sure?
Yes, look at this instruction here. Play-Doh in this at the top. Okay, I'm going to put it inside. Hopefully we can take it out. Bro, what's my sister doing? No, it's not enough. I think it's not enough.
Wow, adik punya.
What is that?
Macam muruku lah.
Muruku. Ni muruku. Ni muruku yang kayak snake. Muruku snake tadi. Okay, maybe still close. Still close. Yeah. Still close. How are we gonna put it, guys? Okay, I think that's enough.
Then?
Wait, maybe one more. Okay. We press this. Keep pressing this. Wait, what's the sound? It's this. I think what's that sound?
Okay, open it.
Wait, how we'll open it? How are you supposed to take it out? Oh, yes. We have to take out this. How are we going to take it out? Whoa, it's hard. Oh no. Oh no. Look at this. Snake.
Snake?
Snake. Ah! My sister just made a snake. How am I supposed to take it out? Okay, this is weird. Look at this. Kita kena tekan ni lah. How nice.
Okay, Umi nak buat donat.
Okay, my mom's gonna make a donut. Well, I'm just trying to do this. No!
Donat.
I'm still trying to take that up the purple. It's okay, I'm fine with the purple. Never use this part, guys. Never use this part here, right here. You see, I cannot take it out. Wait, what is that? Ready. This one's actually kind of nice. Okay, wait, I'm ready. Push it. Maybe we need a lot of Play-Doh. Whoa! The candle dropped again! Are you serious? So guys, I paused the video. Sorry, I have an accident. And we are not supposed to get in here. So here's how. You take anything, like example, I take this.
This one.
Yes, this one. And then you put it right here. You close it. Oh my god, I think I have to press this. You see, when they open up, you close it, and then you can put it, and then you can press it really hard. Yeah!
don't forget to press this one.
And then if you already done, you can press this. See? Like that.
Let me see. Wow.
And then we got 2 cakes. One here my mom make it, one here I make it by myself. Let's try this one.
Okay.
So what color are we gonna use? Maybe let's
Wow, what's that?
use snake. Snake. Dah tersumbat pula ni dalam tu. Bukan ni. Bukan. Ni bunta. That's disgusting. Okay, so we continue. So this. Maybe we can take this color green. I don't know how much. Okay, maybe I take this. It's not enough. Wait. How are we? Is this enough?
Yes.
Okay, so let's put it. Okay, are we not supposed to put it? Is this the correct one?
You actually have to. That one must come out first.
Huh? How?
This one.
Oh yeah, this one. Silly me. I forget it. Okay, and now let's just put it. Okay. Then we just. Hello, this. You always what? Oh wow. So if you see this color purple thing, you put it down. Okay, and then you just. And then you can press it really hard.
This one?
Okay, and then press this one. No, it's not yet. Not yet. I always forget it.
I think you have to put more.
Maybe not yet. We try open it a little. Okay, try open it. Yeah, we need some more.
No. You have to press both at the same time.
Okay.
Okay, open it.
Yeah, it worked. It looks like a wedding cake. How are we supposed to take it out?
You have to press this one.
Oh.
Oh, you ruin it.
Oh no, I'm ruining the wedding cake. No! Wait. Oh no! Oh no, it's gonna drop. No, it dropped. No, the wedding cake. Never use this color. It's okay. What is my sister doing there? Okay, so here's 2 cakes and some silly worms. Let me take this worm. They're eating the cake. Oh no. Okay, I'm trying. Okay, wait, let me close this. So let's do other things like flower. Look at cherry. Okay, so I'm gonna some more. Yeah, I wanna use this. What can you do with this? What do you wanna use? Let's use maybe we can make my sister some food. So how about
Maybe you can make a donut.
look at this cherry? Maybe I want to surprise her with some flowers. Okay, some flowers.
Okay, I make a donut.
Wow, I want to do a flower. How are we gonna do the flower? I think this one's ruined. Umi, mana color green tu? Thank you. Okay, guys. So I think I'm gonna surprise my sister with a special hamburger. Okay, so let's start. So first we're gonna do let's do this color first. Okay, wait, so let me take that out. Oh my god. this is I'm gonna do the bread. This is the special bread. It's the color blue. Ah! No! Emergency! Emergency! No! Wait. What the? Help! Okay. Okay. Ah! Again. Okay, wait, let me close this. Wait. Okay, wait, let me take it out. Is it
Adik buat apa?
Dinosaur. Okay guys, so that's the end of the video. But I want to show you guys our creation that we made today. So this is what I make. A heart cake. And this is, I make a burger for my sister. Whoa, it's a lot. Can you eat it? Fake eating. No, I can. And then, I don't know what my sister made. It's a donut. There's chocolate down there. I don't know what's this. It looks like a dinosaur.
Eat dinosaur what?
Who eat dinosaur? And then there's a snake. Who eats snake? And my sister do a spinning. No. And then a heart, and then snake again. Okay guys, so that's the end of the video. Make sure you guys subscribe. Bye.